You've been told that if you aren't waking up at 5 a.m., you're lazy. But science says for 45% of the population, that routine is a biological death trap. It's called social jet lag, and it's why your brain feels like mush until noon. Your best friend might be up at dawn for a run while you can't fathom greeting the sun without 3 cups of coffee. This isn't a lack of discipline, it's your DNA. Sleep is governed by 2 forces. Process C is your internal 24-hour clock. Process S is your sleep pressure, the buildup of a chemical called adenosine that makes you tired. Your chronotype is where these 2 meet. Most of us fall into 4 main categories: lion, bear, wolf, and dolphin. Finding yours is the key to stopping the constant fatigue. Lions make up 15% of the population. They rise at 6 a.m. and peak early, with productivity soaring from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. They are natural leaders, but by 9 p.m., they're socially done. Bears are the majority, 55% of us. They follow the sun, waking at 7 a.m. and peaking between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. They're the backbone of the 9 to 5 world and thrive in teams. Wolves are the 15% night owls. They start their day late and don't hit their stride until 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. They are creative and open to new experiences, but often feel on edge in a morning-centric world. Dolphins are only 10%. They are highly intelligent and creative, but struggle with steady sleep. They find their groove very late, usually between 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. The evening disadvantage is real. Research shows wolves often have higher raw cognitive ability, yet they get lower grades because exams happen during their circadian trough, the time they're biologically at their worst. Fighting your clock is dangerous. Misalignment increases your risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, depression, and even certain cancers. Fix your energy with 3 steps. 1. Get 20 minutes of natural light in the first hour after waking to reset your SCN. 2. No screens 2 hours before bed. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking at sunrise, delaying sleep by up to 1.5 hours. 3. Stop eating after 8 p.m. to let your mitochondria focus on repair instead of fuel. If you're a wolf or a dolphin, stop apologizing for not being a morning person. Comment your animal type below and tag that one friend who keeps trying to make you join the 5 a.m. club.